Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science Lab.
Maya, it's escaping again! I shoved the toy radio inside, but the music keeps leaking out! Why won't it stay still?
Don't worry, Alex. You cannot trap a song in a glass. You just need to understand sound waves. Sound is not a solid object you can grab with your hands. It's an invisible energy that causes a ripple. Think of this spring toy. When I push one end, the energy travels all the way to the other side. Your vocal cords shake, and that shake bumps the air around you.
So my voice is pushing the air? Like a giant invisible bulldozer pushing dirt?
Exactly. One piece of air bumps the next. Can you guess if sound travels faster through thin air or thick water?
Air. Because it is totally empty. I can run way faster when there is nothing in my way.
Not quite. Remember, sound needs things to bump into. Water has more packed particles. Because they are squeezed so close together, the bumps travel 5 times faster underwater. One piece knocks into the next, and the next. This fast shaking motion is called a vibration.
Whoa! So my favorite song is just a giant invisible bumping game? That is why it went right through my jar.
You got it. The wave just caused a vibration right through the glass.
Give me some super facts, Maya. My brain needs more.
Fact 1. Because sound waves need actual stuff to bump into, outer space is completely silent.
Whoa! No music on the moon? Fact 2.
Blue whales make sound waves so massive, they can travel for thousands of miles across the ocean.
That is the loudest bumping game ever! Fact 3, hit me!
Playful. Mosquitoes do not have ears. They catch sound waves using the tiny hairs on their antennas. Your mission today is easy to do. Touch your throat, say moo, and feel the wave push through.
Moo! Moo! I feel the vibration! It is vibrating!
But if invisible sound waves bump through the air, what happens when invisible light bounces off a wall? Subscribe for more such fun videos.